Hello everyone, myself Dr. Pooja, your own physiology faculty at Cerebellum, and today we are going to have the chat with Dr. Lahari, who cracked the exam in very first attempt. So heartiest congratulations, Dr. Lahari. How are you feeling, beta?
Yes, ma'am, I can't express in words. I'm very happy. My family is so happy. My mom, dad, everybody. They are getting so many calls. Constantly they are getting calls, wishes from all the family and relatives. Everybody is happy.
So, did you expect that you are going to get 189 score in the exam?
Uh, I guess yeah, ma'am. Cerebellum had taught us so well everything. Uh, by the paper one was done, I was sure I'm gonna score 100 in paper one. I was pretty sure about it. So I was knowing I will score good marks with the cerebellum. I knew it after first 2 3 GTs. I got to know I'll score well. I'll pass. That thing I was there, but until I see that pass, I was not confident. I still used to have some self doubt and all.
So, tell me, when you saw the first time your result, how was it? Whom did you were with, or were your parents there? Were your friends there with you? कैसे आपने देखा and how,
Yeah.
what was their expressions?
Actually, I was just sitting with my dad in the living room and I saw in a Cerebellum WhatsApp group, the students one, and result came. It was Sunday and NB. And I was like, it's not possible. They are going to release on Sunday that too. And then I just calmly came to my room and I checked myself. I didn't want to tell my parents at first place. And I want to see it myself. So I checked and it was 189 and passed. I was so happy. And then I went to my mom, dad, and then showed them the result. And I recorded to their
Their
reaction.
expression.
Yeah.
Nice, nice, wonderful. So, your parents must be very proud and very happy at that moment.
Yes, ma'am. Very proud. My
So, tell
mom
me, what
top
was your?
tears.
Tell me, continue, please.
My mom, literally, she was having tears, happy tears. Yeah.
So this is the reasons for sure told everyone, to capture their photos and those lovely moments that you're going to
Yes.
cherish for your whole of your life. And that's why the cerebellum was collecting the photos and those happy moments to be cherished.
Yes, ma'am. Exactly. And that's that. I never saw my parents so happy. They were happiest.
So tell me, Beta, for this happy moment, how did you prepare? Did you prepare only after coming India, or you started beforehand itself when you were studying in your university?
I used to study the basic subjects and for the classes and everything, but I didn't start actual preparation of FMG. I was so much in dilemma. Should I do FMG? Everybody used to say it's difficult. It can't. Nobody can clear in one attempt and everything like that. So I was pretty scared of it. So when I came back here, I used to have other app subscription. It was not live and all, but I couldn't study from that. I used to just study 2 hours and I get diverted. I can't sit that. And when I took the cerebellum, one of my senior told it was she took the cerebellum and she cracked it in July attempt. I was so confident by her, and I was like, if Didi did, I can also do. And I directly took the cerebellum. I missed 2 subjects or something, but I was like, no, I can cover up. They have 3 revisions. I can do it. And then I took the cerebellum and I made some thumb rules. Anyway, wherever I am, I have to do that live class. I can't miss that. 5 o'clock, I have to sit on my study table. I need to focus as much as I can and absorb everything I could. So I used to do that classes, mission.
Consistency and discipline. That was your rule. कि
Yeah,
भाई करना है तो करना है.
karna,
Wherever we are, whatever condition we are in, we have to do and we have to attend the classes.
yes, ma'am.
And from your studio, I got to know that recordings are there available, but the problem comes to the student because of the discipline. They
Yes, ma'am.
cannot sit through, right? But
Yes,
if the teacher is sitting with you, you have to sit, and it becomes very natural and easy,
yeah.
to follow
Yes,
if
ma'am.
you.
And even we used to answer in chat box and it would be so interactive. If we have any doubt, we will ask you and you will reply to us. So it was really good. And we remember also when we chat something and we ask, ma'am, what is this? You say it. So it was really good. And the very more important thing was ENDs. After every subject, we had ENDs. So we make sure we have to study everything before that, revise and do questions. And then we have that live interaction of discussion of questions. So it was all very helpful. And there were times, ma'am, really, when the score was less or when we used to feel sick, but still we just woke up, sat there, studied, irrespective of the result.
So you also had those low moments. So how you used to, convert your or channelize your energy towards studying? Like होता है ना कभी कभी कि यार आज तो नहीं पढ़ना, आज तो my mood is very very low, I don't want to. But you again diverted your how, मतलब what you used to think at that time?
मैम सोचने का एक्चुअली टाइम ही नहीं मिलता था मैम. इट्स लाइक करना ही है. We used to have literally the schedule, right? 2 days of in lab 2 physiology, 1 day then ENT and everything. We need to finish it anyhow. If we are low, that subject is left and we can't do that. और कुछ
So
भी
there was
कर.
no buffer time to, have that negativity to enter, not at all, right?
Even though if it enters when we do the live class, just like you used to say, tell us like worry less, study more, all these things, and every teacher used to motivate us, push us so much that it eventually went. Like there's nothing to worry about. They are all there together with us. Yes,
So
ma'am.
this is something I feel like it is not there in the recording lectures. Even if we
Yes, ma'am.
record it, we don't know, right? Who is watching us, at what time they are watching us. But in the live classes, you can chat, we can interact, we can understand your emotion. That okay, बच्चे को इसमें problem आ रहा है, and we can give them more mnemonics or some motivational quotes and all. So this is, we also miss that in the recording lectures. Like recording में तो it's camera the way we are talking to, but in the interaction and all, that also helps us to understand you guys better, that what bacha is understanding properly and where they're having the problem. You
Yes, ma'am.
told about ENDs. Did you solve any Q bank questions or late night PYQ was there?
Ma'am, everything, literally all the late night PYQs, all the test section is like green, green, green. Everything is ticked. I did all the PYQs of all the subjects and all the late night PYQs. Late night PYQs were very helpful, ma'am. Ma'am, see, in the exam, we don't get the same questions.
Mhm.
And no Q bank have the same questions of what exam has. So it's like when we see constantly the questions, like in ENDs, in GTs, PYQs, we used to see so many questions, like each day 200, 300 easily. So then when we actually had the main exam, we were not at all scared. At least cerebellum students, I'm sure like they were not scared. And in PYQs also, the rank used to be like top 20 or 40. Oh, total, like 40 out of 40 late night PYQs, everybody used to get. So it
So
was so
you
good.
had that mindset prepared कि यार ऐसे घुमा के पूछेगा. If they
Huh.
have asked that question, even if they have twisted it many times, you have seen so many versions of the same question that you are not at all scared. कि ये
Yes,
ऐसे भी आएगा तब भी solve कर लेंगे. If they have asked in the different scenario also, we will solve it.
we will solve it. और डर ही नहीं लगता था क्वेश्चंस तो. और एग्जाम डे पे तो आई वाज सो एक्साइटेड कि फाइनली दैट 6 months thing came. I had worked so hard. It's the time to prove myself. It was that phase. So
So that kind of gave you the confidence ki that yes, all the versions we have seen and all the PYQs we have done. So if the question comes from the same topic or the same concept, you'll not do a mistake.
yes, ma'am, that was for sure. And the GTs were also not like PYQs or very tough. Like some have very tough GTs to scare the students. It's like mostly PYTs topics, and all the basic knowledge we need to have, it used to be covered in GTs.
As they say, the common things are more commonly asked.
Yes, ma'am. In this exam also, we had that JVP one A wala representation. Yes,
Yeah, that Ma was there, that tag was
oxytocin.
there, metabolic acidosis, alkalosis were there.
Yeah, that oxytocin was not at all required. Only that image thing, prolactin and all.
Milk ejection reflex.
Yes, ma'am.
So wonderful, so wonderful. So when you see that the students are taking that mnemonics also so seriously, we are very happy. We are very happy. And tell me, like how you used to manage your time. You used to study for 10 hours, 12 hours, or कैसे करते थे आप manage?
Ma'am, I started it slow. Like I used to wake up at 9 or something, and
Mhm.
I used to go library just to get used to that environment.
Mhm.
It's similar to exam environment, so I used to go to library and I used to revise last day's live lectures.
Mhm.
And additional, I used to do the subjects I feel like I'm forgetting or something from.
Volatile.
Yeah, volatile. I used to do, and some questions I used to do, and I come back afternoon 2:30. I used to have lunch with my mom, then rest some time, and then 5 o'clock I used to do class. And after class, like if I had a physiology class today, I'll be recalling everything what ma'am said here, like that extracellular, intracellular, 60%, all those I'll be revising fast, like in 1 hour, 1.5 hour I used to revise. Class will end by 11, so 12:30 the revision used to be done, and I used to do that late night PYQs, 25 or 40 questions, and then go to sleep. That's it. It was like that.
Just tell me 1 month or 10 days before the exam, what was your schedule? Like how you studied?
Ma'am, at that time it became very easy because already the short subject, I used to do the short subjects at night. It was like forensic and all this used to take at least like 1 hour. 1 hour max. I used to complete all the subjects. So two subjects, Dharma one day, forensic one day, one hour. I used to finish them, revise fast, and go to bed. And the next day morning, I used to wake up and do the big subjects like surgery, half today, in half the next day, because it will take time and I need to have that attention also. So I used to do that.
So how
And
you kept calm during that, let's say last 10 days, because it's a most scary period for the students also,
yeah,
right? So how you kept your calm?
ma'am, and ma'am, so many students used to say this from this video questions will come. These are most 25 questions. These are 300 questions. These are gonna come. Nothing, ma'am, nothing came. Really, I watched some of the videos which are like 2 hours or something. I thought it's unnecessary. I just have to revise my notes. That's it. There will be
So,
so many people forwarding the PDFs, videos, everything. Watch this, that. Nothing. We just need to stick to our source, revise that, do some questions. That's it.
all right. So you showed the confident whatever the teachers has taught you in whatever 4 5 months you did your classes, right? You have done your PYQs. You did it with consistency, and you showed the that we should not have the FOMO.
Yes,
Basically,
ma'am.
students
FOMO.
have the FOMO that ये भी करना है, वो भी करना है, but you have stick to the content yourself, and that showed that your hard work has been paid off very nicely. So I'm very happy. Any advice that you want to give to your juniors?
Ma'am, actually, so many of the people are asking me some questions, like two questions. First thing was, is cerebellum, they are thinking it's like mostly North Indian thing, so it will be in Hindi. I need to clear that it's not in Hindi, it's completely in English. And the Hindi that they use is also for only for jokes. It's nothing like theory or anything knowledgeable. It's just fun thing. And the other question I get is like, it's only 6 hours class. Others are having 12 hours something classes. Are they covering everything? And I'm like, yeah, they are covering everything, and they are covering most high yield thing. They are. It's not like you can't remember 19 subjects, and every day you are studying for 12 hours only the classes. And when are you gonna get the time? I'm telling them so much, but they are like, maybe they are missing out something. No, they are not missing out. I just want to clear them. They are not missing out. People are scoring more than 200 with that mission classes. So it's not that they are skipping something. Literally, cerebellum had covered everything we need to know, and that too twice. Sometimes we used to study in pedia, anatomy, and surgery, like Meckel's diverticulum. Teachers covered it in all three subjects, so it was like they never missed anything by knowledge wise.
So
So anybody junior, don't worry about the content; it's everything there.
what about any specific like consistency or discipline? What you want to give, any advice from your side to, the
Yeah.
students who started to prepare so that they can get inspired by your story?
Yeah, for sure, ma'am. Like, I just want them to be dedicated and disciplined. There will be times when they will feel low. It's not gonna happen. I'm not getting some subject. For me, biochemistry was really hard. It's like I can't remember all these enzymes. This is not possible. But then I was like, no, I'll revise. I'll keep studying. I'll do it every day. Pharma also. I used to forget. So I did one. I kept my rule. Ki every week Monday, I used to study pharma. At a point in exam, it became so easy for me. Like it became my strongest subject. So just if you are scared of some subject, read it again and again, and never lose the hope. Like never lose the hope. You can crack it.
So
Yeah.
give your best and forget the rest. It will fall properly on their place, right?
Yes.
So it was your mantra. So
Yes.
thank you so much, Dr. Larry, for sharing your such a wonderful experience with.
Ma'am, one last thing. My mom
Uh-huh. Please, please.
come.
Yeah,
My
yeah, yeah. Sure, sure, sure.
She also wants to thank. She used to see all my journey and she
Hi.
was so happy. I
Namaste,
namaste.
namaste, ma'am. How are you?
Namaste.
कैसे हो आप? How are you?
Fine. आपके कोचिंग बहुत अच्छे है.
थैंक यू, थैंक यू।
बहुत अच्छा मोटिवेशन है सब
आपके
टीचर।
बच्चे ने मेहनत किया है, लारी ने बहुत मेहनत किया है। शी हैज अटेंडेड ऑल द क्लासेस, उन्होंने सारी क्लासेस करी हैं, सारे पीवाईक्यूज करे हैं, तो आपका बच्चा बहुत बहुत मेहनती है।
नहीं, motivation तो बहुत अच्छे है. And mummy used to see, right, you guys teaching us for like constantly, and that too 3 revisions. She was like, your teachers are teaching you till the end. You have to do it for them. Yeah.
So I'm very happy. I'm
बहुत
very
खुशी है,
glad.
बहुत खुशी हो गए बच्चे जब फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट हो गया, अच्छा कोचिंग मिल गए. Yeah.
So tell your mom that you are from which region, beta?
I'm from Andhra Pradesh.
Andhra Pradesh. So which language do you talk in home?
Telugu. My mother
तेलुगु.
Telugu.
तेलुगु में क्या बोलते हैं बेटा? I did it.
నేను చేసేసా.
So I did it in first attempt. Tell me once again. Say it
నేను
once again.
చేసేసా ఫస్ట్ అటెంప్ట్ లో.
Yes. So it was all because of your parents. Tell your mom that her blessing was there, her food that you used to have, especially during lunchtime when you used to come back to,
Yes, ma'am.
for your rest time. That has paid off, right? And your hard work and your dedication has paid off. I'm very, very thankful, and I'm feeling very lucky to see your mom so happy.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it's all because of you and my parents. Today, I'm so happy and I'm doctor. I could say that.
So before the interview, you were playing with your dog, right?
Yeah, Shodi.
So that also must have acted as a relaxation wala thing for a little bit when you were
First,
stressed.
I used to study and he used to like sleep, lay down just beneath my reading table, and he was always there with me. And my mom say he is there with you constantly. Thank you, madam.
Hello, thank you so much for bringing your mom also in
Thank you.
towards this interview. I'm very, very happy. I'm so lucky. I'm so glad that your family and you have done such a hard work and it has paid off. Thank you for sharing your
Thank
inspiration
you.
story, right?
Thank you, ma'am.
And congratulations once again. Enjoy this moment. This is your moment. Enjoy to the fullest, right?
Thank you, ma'am.
And see you next time. I want that, ma'am, we have again cracked the NEET PG or the INICET. We will
Yes.
be expecting that from your side also. Okay,
Yes.
now the expectation bar has raised for you.
We will meet in Cerebellum wala party and then NEET PG. Everywhere we'll meet, ma'am.
Sure. So see you soon. Bye bye. Enjoy.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.